I'm continuing to collaborate, to work with my home institution very closely. First of all, we continue to continue the supervision of PhD student. We have a double PhD program between my home institution and my host institution. So I am one of the supervisor, and I represent my home institution in this program.
I continued to work in my institute in Ukraine. I worked previously, and also I am a participant of IEEE project Magnetism for Ukraine with my ex-supervisor, and this project will be finished in October. We published a paper in January. And actually this work is finished, but the project is going on still. Anyway, we plan to continue this work because my supervisor will be a participant in DFG project, I guess. And probably this research will be continued in collaboration with our colleagues from Germany, Czech Republic, and Japan.
I'm still affiliated with my home institutions. I'm also involved in 3 projects of the National Research Foundation of Ukraine. But with this project, it's kind of uncertain situation because this project were originally devoted to researchers working in Ukraine most of the time. But now, let's say, half of participants of all these projects are abroad, and it's still not known if it is possible to continue because administratively it's not allowed. So for now, we don't understand how we will proceed with this, but formally I'm involved in these 3 projects.
With support of American Association, RTM Association, Reconsolidation Trauma Memory Association, we are now trying to develop in Ukraine branch of this association to incept a very evidence-based approach to treating PTSD. The name of this approach, Reconsolidation Trauma Memory.
I definitely plan to continue working at the Kharkiv State Academy of Culture after the fellowship, and the experience of research work in the host European institution. Interaction with colleagues from Wageningen University of Applied Sciences will greatly help me in promoting the development of Ukrainian science, artistic research, increasing the competitiveness of Ukrainian university, and in particular my own academy. Together with Latvian colleagues, I will develop an educational game on film literacy and popularization of Ukrainian cinema. And I have a great expectations for this work.
I'm also planning to give a set of lectures, seminars for the students in a couple of universities in Ukraine. I hope the knowledge I will get here will not stay just with me. It will. I would have the possibility to give it to the students.
I'm still doing the teaching, maintain my full workload and conducting classes as much as it is possible, since here there is a sleep lab is connected with neuroimaging lab, with other labs, trauma lab, and so on. So it gives me a possibility to transfer the experience that I have gained here to Ukrainian students and get them a little bit more involved into so-called hands-on research, that what we always lacked.
Even while being abroad, I actively maintain involvement in research activities linked to Ukraine, particularly through my home institution, National University Odessa Law Academy. And I'm actively engaged in teaching and supervising undergraduate students at my home institution and also lead the lectures. I participated in legal clinic activities remotely to help pro bono help Ukrainian citizens to get some first legal aid on some questions, especially for vulnerable citizens. These collaborative efforts foster a vibrant research community and contribute to the advance of knowledge in Ukraine?
At present, I am affiliated with the state institution South Ukrainian National Pedagogical University, named after Ushinsky in Odessa. While it is uncertain what the upcoming year will hold, so at this moment I'm teaching classes and supervising both master's and doctoral candidates. And it allows me to play an integral role in shaping the future of the field.
I am involved also in collaboration with my former Ukrainian research team, and in particular, when I was working in Ukraine, we were in deep connection with the Faculty of Chemistry, and now we continue this collaboration with only one change. I investigate luminescent properties of nanoparticles synthesized in our university in a superlumi station here in Deutsche Elektron and Synchrotron. We have already prepared some common project, and we are going to apply for maybe some for financing for some common project, and we are going to establish collaboration for future common research with my Ukrainian team.